all you need to do is to color your fondant red. Okay, you can decide to use bright red, coral color. All right, we are using red color. So I don't like to work with when I have my fondant colored, I don't like using corn flour or icing sugar. I prefer to use shortening on my work surface. So I'm going to just roll it out into my desired thickness. So this is okay, and then I'll cut for uniformity. And I'll do this. Just to blend it out and to make it more perfect. If you don't do this, you have your edges this way. Can you see the difference? Just make as much of this as you can. Depends on the length of the bead you want to create. And if you want a bigger bead in the middle, then you need to make it your stripe bigger. So I'm going to use this one. This is going to be at the middle. You can leave this overnight to firm up a bit before you start coupling it together, or you can do it immediately. But remember to always add some CMC into your fondant to harden it up a little. Okay, it's time to string our beads. So I have my needle and thread, red thread to fit, to match. So I'm going to start, put it through the middle, bring it out. Now if I want to create something like this, you see this one now, this particular design, all I need to do is to maybe start with 15 beads, depending on how big or long I want my bead to be. I can just start with put like 15, then after putting 15 through the rope, I'll put this one, this big one, then plus another 15. That way this will be at the middle. So what I'm trying to explain is that from here to here is 20, here to here is 20. So this stays at the middle that way, okay? So if you watch, it's the same. Can you see that? This side is 20, 20, then the center one. So we're going to continue adding our beads until we get the desired length. Roll it flat, not so flat. So cut into stripe. Take one after the other. You cut randomly. if you keep cutting in this direction like this, you have all of them looking slanted. You understand? If you keep doing this, you have all of them looking this way. Okay, straight kind of. But this is what I do. I alternate the movement of my hands. I go this way, come this way, go this way, like triangle kind of. Very close. Okay, come very close.
So not use corn flour?
No, don't use corn flour when you're using colored, when you're doing colored, working with colored fondant. Just use chocolate. I prefer to use sugar. So you keep doing this. This is really fast.